Hello friends, I am Dr. Zafar Iqbal and today we are going to discuss Ashwagandha, also called Vidhinia somnifera, the king of Ayurveda. Ashwagandha is also known as winter cherry, Vidhinia somnifera, Indian ginseng, asgandh, poison gooseberry, etc. In Latin, somnifera means sleep-inducing. Ashwagandha is in human use from the last 3000 years and is native to subcontinent, Middle East and North Africa. It is the most commonly used and extensively researched herb in the world. Ashwagandha is one of the most potent tonic and aphrodisiac in the entire botanical kingdom. In Ayurveda, Ashwagandha is called the king of all herbs. Ashwagandha has a horsey smell. In Sanskrit, Ashwa means horse and Gandha means smell, and it is said to confer the strength and virility of a horse. Ashwagandha exhibits many health benefits of Panax ginseng, therefore named as Indian ginseng. This is also because some vidhinoloids are structurally similar to ginsenoside of Panax ginseng. Ashwagandha is also called an adaptogen, which means it helps the body to adapt to daily life stress. Ashwagandha is a Rasayana herb. Rasayana is an early Ayurvedic term concerning the means of lengthening lifespan by promoting physical and mental health and rejuvenating the whole body. Vidhinoloids, a group of steroidal lactones, contribute to the herb's health benefits. These vidhinoloids include vidapirine A, vidhinoloid D, and vedhanone. Ashwagandha also contains magnesium, manganese, iron, zinc, copper, vitamin B6, antioxidants such as catalase, superoxide dismutase, and glutathione. Along with flavonoids, amino acids including tryptophan, neurotransmitters, sterols, triterpenes, etc. Ashwagandha regulates and uplifts many body systems including endocrine, immune, neurological and reproductive systems. More than 200 studies prove medical use of ashwagandha. A study published in the Indian Journal of Psychiatry concluded that 60 days treatment with ashwagandha root extract significantly reduced the symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. Analysis of 5 different studies found that ashwagandha significantly reduced anxiety and stress. Anxiolytic and nerve calming effect of ashwagandha also helps to treat insomnia. In a study, participants were given either 600 mg of ashwagandha extract or placebo for 60 days. Ashwagandha group showed around 80% decrease in depression symptoms compared to 10% reduction in placebo group. Cortisol is a hormone released by adrenal glands in response to stress. A study published in Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine shows that a 60 days treatment with ashwagandha root extract reduces cortisol level by around 30%. So ashwagandha reduces stress by lowering cortisol level. Elevated cortisol levels also lower the levels of thyroid hormones like T3 and T4. According to a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, ashwagandha appears to boost levels of T3 and T4 by reducing cortisol. Thus, ashwagandha benefits to a mild form of underactive thyroid called hypothyroidism. According to a study published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements, taking 300 mg of ashwagandha root extract twice a day significantly improved general memory, task performance, and attention. Due to its powerful antioxidant properties, ashwagandha protects the brain cells from degeneration, improves brain function, and also prevents cognitive disorders like Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's. In one study, 75 infertile men treated with ashwagandha for 3 months showed increased sperm count and mortality with a significant increase in testosterone and antioxidant levels in the blood. A 2015 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition involved 57 males between the age of 18 and 50 found that ashwagandha supplementation was associated with significant increase in muscle mass and strength along with increased testosterone levels and a greater decrease in body fat percentage. Ashwagandha acts as pain reliever. It prevents pain signals from traveling along the central nervous system. Ashwagandha also has some anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, ashwagandha can treat various inflammatory disorders of musculoskeletal region like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, low back pain, neck pain, strains, fibromyalgia, tendonitis, etc. As ashwagandha regulates hormone, it can also increase height. According to a 2013 study, ashwagandha extract increased the levels of neurotransmitter called GABA in the brain. Elevated levels of GABA increase the production of human growth hormone, and human growth hormones play a key role in growth and development. Several human studies have suggested that ashwagandha can reduce blood sugar levels in both healthy people and those with diabetes. Results from studies showed that taking ashwagandha can be beneficial for cardiopulmonary endurance. Ashwagandha alleviates chest pain by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In a 60-day study in chronically stressed adults, taking higher dose of ashwagandha extract experienced a 17% decrease in LDL, that is bad cholesterol, and 11% decrease in triglycerides on an average. Immune boosting and antioxidant properties of ashwagandha can reduce tumor cell growth and may prevent cancer cells from growing. Animal studies suggest that it may help to treat several types of cancer. Ashwagandha is a tonic for all age groups. Start with 300 to 500 mg per day with ethanoids in a range of 5 to 10%. Slowly increase the dose up to a maximum of 1000 to 1500 mg per day. The dose of ashwagandha powder is 4 to 8 grams per day. Don't take ashwagandha in pregnancy, hypothyroidism, that is overactive thyroid. Patients with low blood pressure, diabetes and autoimmune disorders shall consult their doctor first before taking ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is generally safe when used in the recommended dose. Use in the higher dose can cause stomach upset, headache, sleepiness. To avoid GI problems, take ashwagandha after meal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel The Quest and also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video to your friends.